Not me changing t-shirts to make it look like I filmed this on a different day when in fact I'm filming 3 videos in one day. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm giving you a video that you didn't ask for but will probably want, and I'm going to teach you how to make some aesthetic lock screens. Now, as you can tell by the thumbnail of my video, it's kind of fun and fresh. Really enjoyed it, really kind of getting creative up in here. Make sure you do click the subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell. I post a new video every single Sunday. Let's literally get started. Okay, so the apps that I used for this video is Pixar, Fekete, vsco, and Fonto. You don't have to use any of these. I use Lightroom to edit already the photos already. What I did is that I'm going into photo grid. Let me start my screen recording. So I went into photo grid and I clicked grid, and as you can see I have lots of red photos. Now this is going to be a red aesthetic one because I'm getting into the color red. And what you want to do is you want to highlight every single, and then you click next, and then it comes up, and then you click the ratio. I click divide, and then you just want to find a layout that suits you best. Yeah, basically, it's not working probably, so love that for me. But you want to find one that, you know, goes together, like an aesthetic that you want. So personally, I used red for today's video. Again, you can do green and blue and purple. And I found all of these photos on Pinterest, and there's also a van outside. So I'm going to talk really loud so you can't hear the van. Yeah, so I found all of these photos on Pinterest, and I just, you know, put them together and moved them around a little bit just to see what I thought looked good. You also want to get rid of the logo, which is, you know, what we don't want. And then you can save that, and then that can be used as one of them. Love that. We're on a roll, ladies. Let's go. So for the next lock screen, what you want to do is you want to go into Pixar, and you want to pick any photo background. For example, I'm just going to pick this Eiffel Tower one. As you can see on the screen, I don't know where I'm putting it. Am I putting it here? I'm putting it here.
Hello everyone, and I bet you're wondering, oh my god, Santana, where have you gone? What's going on? Well, you know, I lost a clip, but anyway, I'm just gonna keep going. So what I did is I got an Eiffel Tower photo that I had previously from Pinterest, and what I did is I added loads of like red aesthetic stickers. So obviously I have like a butterflies one, and they're like lips or like the devil, like all kind of like the red vibes and stuff. And I obviously had to add the imposter because Among Us is very trendy recently. Let me know how good you are at Among Us down below, because I'd love to know. I'm kind of a professional at this point, not to jinx it, but it's actually kind of fun and fresh, and I'm kind of talented. Anyway, and then for this one, because you guys know that I am the biggest Ariana Grande stan in the entire world, I thought it'd be really fun and fresh if I, you know, pay tribute to Positions that is dropping tomorrow. Make sure you go stream the album, by the way, that I did an Ariana one. So what I did basically was that I went to Pixar and I got 3 photos of Ariana, and I put them in on the back of a white wall, and then like move them around to see if they feel for the vibes, see if the vibes will go.
She's filmed 2 videos down. We love that for me. That was literally the fastest I think I've ever filmed. It's been like, what? An hour and a half, and I filmed 2 videos. Go me. I can't wait to spend like 15 hours editing though, because you know what I do. We don't rest, ladies. Yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it. If you do like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want to comment down below, and subscribe if you're new if you haven't already. And make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a random video every single Sunday, or if I decide to upload a random video on a Wednesday, which I've not done, but I will do, so you'll know if you have your post notifications turned on. And yeah, thank you for watching once again. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye guys.